Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zebster computer to Wi-Fi. First, find the network icon, usually a small Wi-Fi symbol, located in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. Clicking this icon will reveal a list of all available wireless networks in your vicinity. From this list, carefully choose the specific Wi-Fi network you wish to join. This initial step is crucial for establishing your internet connection. Once you've selected your network, a prompt will appear asking for the security key or password. It's vital to enter this information precisely, as most Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. Double-check for any typos or incorrect capitalization. After entering the password, simply click the Connect button. Your Zebster computer will then attempt to establish a secure connection with the chosen wireless network. After clicking Connect, observe the network icon in your system tray. A solid, filled-in Wi-Fi symbol typically signifies a successful connection to the internet. If you see an exclamation mark or a disconnected symbol, there might be an issue. To confirm full internet access, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and try navigating to a website. This simple test will verify your Zebster computer is online. If you encounter difficulties, don't worry. Troubleshooting is straightforward. First, try restarting both your Zebster computer and your Wi-Fi router. This often resolves minor glitches. Next, re-enter your Wi-Fi password, paying close attention to every character. Also, ensure your computer's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled, which you can usually find in your network settings. These steps resolve over 90% of common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.